When given a table of data, how do you determine if the data are linear, exponential, or neither? Let's consider the following scenario. A family has $1,000 to invest and is considering two options: investing in a government bond that offers 2% simple interest, or investing in a savings account at a bank, which charges a $20 fee to open an account and pays 2% compound interest. Both options pay interest annually. Which option would be better for the family to choose? Here are two tables showing what they would earn in the first couple of years if they do not invest additional amounts or withdraw any money. In this scenario, it's fair to assume the family wants to pick the option that will result in more money in the end. And if you look at just year 2 in each table, it seems the government bond is the better option. But what if the family wanted to invest their money for more than 2 years? Would the government bond still be the better option? It's a good idea to continue the tables, but first you have to determine how the values in each table are growing. First, let's focus on the government bond. The values seem to be growing consistently. Since the years are increasing by 1, you can subtract consecutive terms to see that the value is increasing by $20 each year. Since the same amount is being added each year, this is a linear scenario. Now, let's focus on the savings account. These values are also growing, but not by a consistent amount. Since the years are increasing by 1, you can divide consecutive terms to see that the amount in dollars is increasing by a rate of 1 2/100. Since the same amount is being multiplied each year, this is an exponential scenario. Exponential growth will eventually surpass linear growth. Let's continue the tables up to year 12. Notice the government bond is the better option until year 12. If the family wants to save the money for less than 12 years, the government bond is the better option. If the family wants to save the money for more than 12 years, the savings account is a better option.